Hello everyone, the latest Roblox Rivals 2026 update is finally here. In today's video, we're going to check out all the latest working codes available in 2026. This update has introduced several new codes, while many older ones have expired, so make sure you watch until the end to avoid missing out on any free rewards. Before we reveal the codes, I have a special event for you. In this event, you'll have a chance to win various in-game items and exclusive rewards. Joining is super easy. Simply like this video, subscribe to the channel and leave your Roblox username in the comments. Then watch the entire video, and your entry will be automatically counted. Now let's get started with the latest codes. First, launch the game and click the shop button at the bottom of your screen. Next, open the More menu and click on Codes to open the code redemption window. Enter each code exactly as I show it to claim your rewards. We have plenty of codes to go through today, so let's not waste any time. Let's start entering the latest working Roblox Rivals codes for 2026, one by one.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside I left unseen.